Now, good morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See children, today we are going to learn about alphabetical order. Already in our previous session also we have discussed about alphabetical order. Before to that children, what we have discussed yesterday children? We have discussed about my family. Who are the members of the family? And what are the rooms in our houses? About the Mohan's family we discussed. Today again we are here to discuss about alphabetical order. What is an order? See children, there are 26 letters in English language and the order given to you is known as alphabetical order. The order given to you is known as alphabetical order. So I wrote already on the board about the alphabetical order children. Let us revise again. What is the alphabetical order? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The order given to you is known as alphabetical order. These are our capital letters children. The order given to you from A to Z is known as alphabetical order. Let us revise with a few examples children how to write the alphabetical order. Before to write the alphabetical order you should learn A to Z letters in a correct way, in a correct sequence. Is it clear? Now let us have few examples children how to write the alphabetical order. See children. Now, here I wrote the three examples for you children to discuss. Now let us discuss the first one children. Here I gave 4 letters K, A, J, D. If I write here alphabets A to Z, then it will be easy for you to write the alphabetical order correctly. Okay children? But you should not write in your notebook in this way. For your convenience here we are writing. Okay? Now this is the alphabetical order sequence. Now if you observe these 4 letters in this order, which letter comes first? Easily you can identify. Which letter comes first children? A. Which letter comes first? A. So what we have to write in the alphabetical order first? A. So A completed. Circle it. So if you observe the next 3 letters K, J, T. Observe the given letters in the alphabets. Which letter comes next to you children? D. Okay. D. Circle D. Then go for the next 2 letters children J, K. Which one comes first in our order? Which one comes first in our order children? J. So J. And the last one is K. And the last one is K. So this order is known as alphabetical order. Means the letters arranged in a correct sequence. The letters arranged in a correct manner is known as alphabetical order. The next example also given to you in the jumbled form. In the jumbled form we have to write it in an alphabetical order. See children, if you observe the 4 letters given to you, what are they? T, B. Then B after which letter, children? C. B after C. C after, children? C also completed. Now out of these two, M and T, which letter comes first in the alphabets? M. What we can say? M. And at the end we will get T. And at the last we will get T. So these are the letters again I have arranged in alphabetical order. Coming to the next sequence, children, coming to the next order, R, D, M, S. Now, if you observe these letters in the alphabets of English language, which letter comes first, children? D. Which letter? D. Next, children, R, M, S. Which letter? I am getting M here. M. And next, children, R. Next, children, yes. So in this way, children, I gave you few examples how to write the letters, given letters in alphabetical order. Let us revise again with few more examples. Let us revise with few more examples. See, children, I am writing few more examples on the board so that easily you can understand the alphabetical order. Now, see this order. Let us discuss these three examples, children. If you observe the first one given to you, what is given to you? D, K, M, C. What is given to you? D, K, M, C. Now observe each and every letter. Which letter comes first in our English language, in our English alphabets? You can easily identify, children. C. So we have to circle C here and we have to write here. Now three more letters left. What are they? D, K, M. What are they? D, K, M. Which letter comes first, children? In our English, here given to you the English alphabets, which letter comes first? D. So next we have to write D. Now if you observe K and M here, we will get K, then we will get M. So we have to write here K. Next we have to write M. So in this way, children, here first example I wrote in the correct alphabetical order. Coming to the next example. What are the letters given to you? P, M, A, R. What are the letters given to you? B, M, A, R. So out of these letters given to you, which letter comes first in our English language? A. So what we have to write here, children? A. Next, children, A completed. Which letter we have to write next? B. B. Next, M or R? M. What we have to write? M. Next, R. Coming to our next example, children, if you observe P, A, H, P, which letter comes first in our English language? A. So A completed. Next, H, P, T. Which one? H. Next, children, which one? P. Next, children, T. So in this way we have completed the alphabetical order. alphabetical order. Children, you should learn this order correctly. Then only you can write the jumbled letters in the correct order. In our next session, children, again we will discuss few more examples and we will move to the new topic. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Okay, have a nice